Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm back bringing you guys more free sound effects that you can use on your films. So today's sound effect is going to be a ticking clock sound effect. So you can use this, say if you're in like a creepy mansion in the movie, and there's a ticking clock breaking the silence before the killer strikes. If there's a killer in your movie, it's up to you. Okay, but you can use this sound effect on whatever film you're doing which has a clock in it. So let's play that sound effect now. Boom, 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 boom. How many was that? Midnight, yeah. Midnight! And then something scary happens, but it's up to you. Okay, so use that sound effect and do what you wish. Ta-ta!